Hello guys, welcome to a super packed, like to the gills, Trumbull County Fair. We're gonna see what we can do amongst the people, the crowd. You guys should come join us, won't you? So yeah, once again we're getting a later start than we wanted to because Chris and I both had to work today. Then by the time we got here, it took us like half hour, 45 minutes to get to the parking lot and park, and another 20-25 minutes to get into the gate. So yeah, we're running late, but we'll still have fun. We may go check out the Demolition Derby. We may just eat and do other stuff. Who knows? Who knows what the night will bring? There are fireworks tonight. I do hope it brings that. Got some cow milking going on here. A lot of milk. Lincoln's missing it all because he is passed out sleeping. Shocker. Oh, that one's done. This one's just milking away. Go, 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 go. Are you chicken? Yeah, you're a chicken. Rooster? I think so. Over here we got some turkeys. Some big turkeys. Really? You don't say. You're a big turkey. It's not super bright back here. Well, that and I'm in sunglasses, so it might be brighter on the screen than it actually is to me. Why do I like these things so much? Kristen hates these things, and I like them. Cute little gerbils. The hamsters. Something like that.
Aren't they guinea pigs?
Guinea pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, something like that.
You don't know animals.
I do not. No, I don't. The sleepy rabbit. It's such a sleepy rabbit. Are you a sleepy rabbit? I want a sleepy rabbit. I want everything. Why do I want everything? Lincoln, do you want a rabbit?
You want a bunny?
Do you want a bunny? Yeah?
You want to pet the bunny? You can't pet the bunny, buddy.
There's kitties? I don't think the Canfield Fair has kitties. I don't remember seeing kitties at the Canfield Fair. Oh, it's a pretty kitty. You're so cute. I've never actually made it back this far on the fair. Cold-blooded creatures. No, critters. What? The fair's that way. But there's more animals this way. I think. I don't know, to be honest. Lincoln, is it food time? Yeah, we got some cavatelles with a meatball. We got us, I almost call that steak. What is that? Sausage?
Sausage.
Sandwich? Yeah, yummy. And we got Lincoln
Sit up, please.
rolling away.
Sit up.
Some Demolition Derby time. Here we go again. Got some problems. He ain't doing too good. These guys are low. Down to I think the final two. Really? That one and one attacked. Might be it. Okay, wow, this is exciting right here. Okay, moved up to the grandstand. We were sitting right down there last time. Now I can see the whole thing. These are the big boys. The souped up cars. There they go, all six of them. contest or a demolition derby? I think he's gone. He's gonna still going. Well, that was a good time. I enjoyed that. Only got to see a couple runs. And that last one wasn't the best. Sure, they were the most souped up cars and stuff, but they were like afraid to hit each other. The one before it, where there was like 20 some cars, that was a good one. I enjoyed that. Okay, time for more food and more fair stuff. I think Kristen, because she loves Pigpen, is going to get this Pigpen. No!
He wants Batman.
Lincoln wants Batman. I personally like the Pigpen. Time for one of our favorite things at the fair. This fair at least. The milkshake. Right at the dairy bar. Because they're delicious. Absolutely delicious. Moo. Can you moo? Thinking, can you moo? Can you moo? Good job. Yeah. A little roller coaster action. He loves his roller coasters. Loves it. Especially this one goes around like 5 or 7 or 9 times. Depends on how the operator feels. It's good for another single ride. Hands up, Lincoln!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Yeah!
There we go. Hands up! Yeah! Lincoln, was that fun? How'd it go? You go round and round and round.
Hands up?
You put your hands up? Did you go up and down?
I go up and down.
You love roller coasters, don't you?
Up and down.
Fun. Well, this is a nice way to end the evening. I love fireworks.
You see that one?
Well, guys, it is several days later, and in fact, I just finished my 13th day of work in a row, and I'm exhausted. That's why I haven't really recorded much this last week. I haven't really posted anything this last week. Work has been kicking my butt, but there's hope. Fingers crossed. I get a day off tomorrow. I do get a day off tomorrow. And we can start recording and start posting things again. I can't wait. But this video was about the fair. We loved the fair. It was a shorter trip than we wanted to, mainly because we got a late start. The traffic was horrible and the place was packed. We still had a good time. Demolition Derby is great. Lincoln loved it so much that I think we're going to try to go to Demolition Derby at the Canfield Fair. Because Lincoln loved the Demolition Derby. Better than the truck and tractor pull, and he liked that too. So we're going to try to do that. Fireworks were awesome. Fireworks at the fair are awesome. So yeah, we're just going to keep moving forward. Putting this past 2 weeks of working insane amount of time behind us and move forward. We got some exciting stuff coming up next month and towards the end of the year. Can't wait. Hope you guys join us for that. Remember, smile. It confuses people. Bye, guys.